What's up? So I'm gonna work on the headlights today. It's been, since I did the unboxing, it's been almost a week because I've been sick. I got Hayden here with me too. So we're gonna try to get these going. And, I got them right here beside me. Got the third brake light in too. Sorry, it's rough. I look rough. Hey. Anyway, we're gonna get that going, and then yeah, I'll check back in with you in a minute. All right, here we go. Update 2020, the 2020 truck, yeah. Grill's off. There it sits. I'm happy. We didn't tear nothing up. Yay! So, I shouldn't have said that. Probably jinxed myself. Don't be saying yep. Found some pliers in the truck. Look right there. Grab them. Hand them here. I don't know. Look at that. Won't even open. Been there for a minute. So we'll save those. Alright, we're going to get back to it. Try to get this stuff knocked out. I'll check back in a little bit. It's weird seeing that grill off. I washed the grill off. Got to the places I couldn't get to before. And that bottom piece. Cleaned it up. They need to be sanded. But they'll come back off and do that. Right now it's just putting the headlights in. So now I know how to get them out. That's cool. So anyway, walk back up here. The sun is so bright. That all needs to be cleaned up, resprayed, painted. So anyway, it'll get done. That's why I'm giving myself time. Alright, we're gonna get back to it. We'll check in a minute. Fading in the background. Alright. Alright. There it is. I don't know why I'm trying to bend the shot. Hold on. Let me do this. Y'all seen what it looked like to begin with. Oh, sorry, camera shaking. There it is. Yep. Looks good. Got one more. Third brake light. When we get done, I'll show you. Alright. See you in a minute. Focus. Well, there they are. They are working. I got to change them outside bulbs to orange. I'm going to change the top ones to blue. This one burned out. Hayden, come hit the brake light for me. There's the third brake light. It's hard to see because it's... Yep, there it is. There it is. Nice. All right. Okay. But yep. We got her done. And she's running. Here running. She don't sound too bad. I washed the grill. I told y'all that. So, anyway. Go back up here and look at the headlights. So, man, they look good. I'm glad I did that. Anyway, we're gonna go. I'm hungry. It's lunchtime. Y'all, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Hit that thumbs up button. I got sweat on my nose. Sorry. More thumbs up we get, more views we get. They put us anyway. Thanks for watching. We appreciate it. Remember, 100 subscribers, we're giving away a rod. We'll see y'all later. See ya.